Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where you can find the mouse sensitivity setting in the game. First, launch the game. Once you're on the main screen, go to Options, and from there, open the Camera section. The sensitivity settings are located inside the Camera menu. Inside this section, you'll see different camera categories, including options for perspective. You'll also find separate camera settings for characters like Grace and Leon. Select the character or perspective you want to adjust. After selecting it, you can either press the F key on your keyboard or click on the small arrow icon next to the setting. This will expand the menu and allow you to adjust the mouse sensitivity. For Leon, you can follow the exact same steps. Whether you're playing in third-person or first-person mode, select the camera option, press F, or click the arrow to expand it. Once expanded, you'll see the sensitivity slider where you can increase or decrease the value based on your preference. That's how you can locate and change the mouse sensitivity in the game. That will be all for this video.